got the hardness, so I can finally get on with doing this painting, put those tubes on. Yeah, plenty to do today. This is it. There's nothing sophisticated about this paint system. So just while I'm waiting for that paint to dry, I'll just show you this. Remember that inclinometer thing that I bought? Well, I found this one which was exactly the same. I could see from the picture it was the same one because you could see it through from the back, and it comes with this plastic case and everything, and I reckon that's really good. I mean, I could just use that like that and just stick it on. It is oil filled, as we know from the one I broke last time, so that's pretty good. And even as a bonus, it's even got a light. Look, I didn't even know it had a light. Never read the instructions properly or the adverts properly. Was just about to mess around making a stainless steel box for this, but I think I'm just completely overthinking it. So I'm just going to make a little aluminium bracket and plonk it on as it is. Groovy. Okay, there we go. Put it in. I decided to not bother with the metal box, so there it is in place. I'm deliberately leaving it in the dark, ready for the big reveal. I think it's quite good. I mean, it's totally pointless. There's absolutely no way that it never doesn't really do anything, but I just like it. Right, I've painted most of the white. I've put this piece of tube on. What I was going to do was pipe this through into the tube. I'm just not liking it. It's, even for a temporary thing, I don't know. I'm tempted to just give up on this idea and just go ahead and make the proper tanks for next year. Got to paint the red anyway. I'm just waiting for this last little bit to dry. It's probably dry enough to put some red on. Right, so I am actually ready, back to diving ready now. I'm not convinced of this. I might just admit defeat on that and just not bother with it. Anyway, I've just got a little bit of painting to do on the inside, but it's absolutely nothing. So I'm thinking I'll see if I can take a day off this week and get this wet test done, and then I can go with my proper diving. Right, I just got my oxygen stuff back actually. So this is the oxygen regulator, and that has been serviced and O2 cleaned, plus the phosphor bronze hull penetrator, which has again been oxygen cleaned. So I'm going to put that back on. I'm not actually going to do it now because it stinks inside the submarine because it's because I painted inside, so I can't face going in there.
Just do a little bit of some CAD stuff I've been doing as well. So there's a sort of really basic, simple design. I'm liking the idea of this cover on the front though. Yeah, I'm not sure what I was doing there. This, I had an idea that these are tanks, obviously main ballast with the motors on the inside. Kind of got potential, but you'd lose a lot of visibility from these side ports, so I'm not sure that's practical in reality. Trying to close over the motors not necessarily have to have that. Just quickly get rid of it. Where'd the other thing go there? Yeah, so although the sail thing, where did it go? The sail thing would be actually useful in reality. Yeah, kind of liking that. Nice and simple, tanks to make, out the way. Then I did something like that again with this. I can't finish this obviously, but just thinking something like that possibly, not sure. And yeah, that's just a sort of variation on that other one. Just trying to cover up these motors really. Nice big stable deck there, that would be quite good. But anyway, I'm kind of getting there with it. I'm feeling as if I'm liking this deck type thing, but then on the other hand I like that one as well. So there are lots of options